Hi all! Today I want to show you the Kaze AI Agent. You might have seen already that I've partnered up with Kaze AI because I'm mentioning them in most of my videos. They recently introduced an amazing agent. You might have seen the Bancamp or Soxus ads I did. They were also created with the agent. And today, I want to test something new. Here's a picture of me and one of Momoha. She's the mascot of Bancamp. So yeah, I want to create a short fighting scene showing me fighting against Momoha. Momoha is in an anime style and my image is in a semi-realistic style. I'm asking the agent to create a fighting scene, but to keep our identities and looks exactly the same as in the images. So let's see what it does. I send off the prompt, and now it's thinking for a bit and cooking up a short summary of what to do. And yeah, here it is. So it says, here are the two characters and a fighting scene. But now it's asking me a few questions, which I really like, because it just didn't start to generate something blind. So it just asked me if I want an image or video. I haven't specified that, so I tell it that I want a video. And then for visual style, I go for a mixed style, because Momoha is in an anime style and I'm in 3D realistic style. And the setting, a ruined cyberpunk city? Sounds good. And yeah, let's go with playful rivalry because we don't want a gory battle here. Now it's cooking up a storyboard. It'll take a moment. I've sped that up a bit. And yeah, there it is. So the chaos gremlin, it perfectly describes Momoha. The clip will have 15 seconds, 16:9 format with audio and light banter lines. And here it states what it wants to do. First, I land in the city, then Momoha pops up. Then we, look each other in the eyes, and it will be a short fight. And then we will laugh a bit, since it's a friendly rivalry. You see, Momoha will say, I found someone interesting. And I will say, you're in my way, in the end. There will be a 15 seconds clip, and now it asks me for approval. And yes, that sounds good. So yeah, go ahead. And yeah, as you can see, the next thing that they will do is create an environment where the fight will happen. Doesn't need to create anything for me or for Momoha because it already has images for both of us. And again, I'll speed it up a bit. So there we go. There's our epic Battleground. So let's have a look. And yes, that looks good. A ruined cyberpunk city. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, there we are. It says, okay, we've both characters and we have the ruined cyberpunk city. And the next thing now is the video generation. So we'll use SeeDance 2. You probably know that model. It's the current state-of-the-art model. And yeah, then I told it, please go ahead. This will take some time, so I'm speeding it up a little bit again. As you can see, it's around 360 seconds and the clips are done. But I noticed an issue in the first clip. If you see there, Momoha is already present in the first clip, but I was supposed to land there without Momoha in it. So it already even says that, and I'm asking it to regenerate the first clip without Momoha in it. And now it's thinking a bit again, refining the prompt in the background. And there I can see it started a new generation for the clip. Let's have a look at the clips.
Someone interesting. Oh, found someone interesting.
You're in my way.
They look quite good. Oh, and there it finished with the first clip as well, and no Momoha this time. So perfect. Okay, so it's now asking me if everything is okay and if it should assemble the full video. I'm quickly removing the clips. They got selected by me clicking around. Yeah, better. And yeah, then it should assemble everything to a whole scene. And there it is! Yes, it's complete!
Oh, found someone interesting.
You're in my way.
Okay, funny little clip. Yes, and that was the Kaze AI Agent. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. See you next time.
Du willst mehr von der Uniworld? Dann lass ein Like da, abonnier den Kanal und komm auf meinen Discord. Da gibt's noch viel mehr zu entdecken. Ich freue mich auf dich. Den Link findest du in der Beschreibung. Bis zum nächsten Mal, deine Ione.